Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are again going to play Brawl Stars. So in Brawl Stars we are going to play Solo Showdown with BB. Let's get to it. Let's go boy. Break. So guys, if you didn't know, BB is an epic brawler and she is pretty good. Do not fight with Edgars. Notice for new players. Yeah, that's what happens when you fight Edgars. Never fight Edgars. So guys, free reward first. Okay, so I have 60 gems, so I can buy Pandanita or I can buy this golden barley, but I don't use barley, but I do use Nita, but I don't want to waste my gems. And I actually have a quest with Tick, so yeah, I'll go for Tick and do a showdown just so that I can get my quest cleared. Match has started. Let's go. Oh, Mortis. Good. So guys, if you didn't know, Tick is like one of the brawlers which has very low HP, and currently because I have 2 cubes, that's the reason why I have like 3400 HP, or like normally I'll have like very low HP. So it's like one of the brawlers which has like really low HP. And his super is that he throws his head, which is like funny. Okay, so wait. We are doing pretty good here. 3 teams left. I think we will win this. Bush check. He wasted a super. Okay, so if you guys don't know, Frank is the most HP brawler in the game. So yeah, if you get Frank anytime, use it for like HP reasons. Like for example, you will need Frank in gem grab, because when you take the gems, you need a high HP brawler so that you can absorb the hits. And you like this Tick is not very necessary for that, because like he has really low HP. And I'll just give you a tip how to get legendary brawlers. Like it's not like a tip, you can just like know when you are going to get a legendary brawler. So if you just go in the shop and click on any mega box, yeah, and then click on the exclamation mark up top, then you can see legendary brawler rate, star points, gadget, everything. So now the brawlers for which I can get the star point is Edgar, not star point, sorry. A gadget is Edgar, my Carl, and my Nita. So yeah. So please tell me in the comments which brawler should I play in the next video. I think for now I should play with Jessie or maybe Colt, and let's play some map maker. So yeah, let's go with Brawl Ball. Okay, so the game has started. Let's go. Okay, he killed me. And the Rosa is offline. Very good. So guys, we are in big trouble because the Rosa who spawned in the center is offline. Oh no, she's online. Okay. I legit thought for the first moment she was offline because like no movement, no nothing. Okay. Rosa kill it or yeah. Okay, so like the chain thing that you can see, it's actually like when you throw a ball in it. Yeah, so actually when you throw the ball in it, the ball automatically goes towards the goal, or you can say in the direction you have hit. It won't like stop in the middle, but because if it stops you are not able to get it. And if there are no wall breakers in your team, like you don't have a colt or nothing, then you are in big trouble. So yeah, and winner of the day is the gem grab map maze. It looks like this. It's a good one. I'll show you. Wait. Yeah, for this I would recommend a short range brawler, and but better than a short range brawler is bull. I'll show you the exact reason why. It's pretty cheesy. So first just charge up your super, then yeah, charge up your super, and then just yeah, then go to this place, and then you can just super here. It's like you get what I mean to say. You can just get all of them. If there are any long range brawlers in the opponent's team, they can just hit you from there. But like if your teammates come by breaking the thing, or you have a El Primo who can just jump right here, then yeah, that's really helpful. You need a brawler who can cross the water. Okay, I'm a big noob. Very good. So yes guys, I'm trapped. So need my super. Okay guys, so you can just dodge hits like this. Yeah, we won. Easy. So like bull is like really good, and if there is already a bull in your team, then like yeah, at that time a Daryl is good because the bull can break that from the second one, and then your Daryl can just roll over there. So I'll just show you with the bull again, and yeah, this like you have to do it perfectly. If you mess up the timing, then yeah, you dead. Yep. So if you don't do it on that one, then like it's not gonna be good for you, because doing it on this one is better. Wait, yeah, doing it on this one is better because like yeah, because you can just travel till here and then just run here, place this, and then if your teammate who wants to come like a Daryl, and Daryl has range but he doesn't have as much range as any other brawler. So yeah, this El Primo is, I'm like pretty sure gonna just jump on me. No, he didn't jump. Or you basically can also use El Primo who can like come here. So as you can see, the El Primo has a super. He jumps, I kill him. Yeah, easy. And then you just don't need to do anything. Just go here. Just chill at a safe place. Like over here. Yeah, that Rosa is helping me. She's tanking the shots. El Primo doesn't see that I was here. He could have killed me, but he didn't. and then I'll show it to you with Daryl. It's like pretty hard with the Daryl, but it's doable. Let's see. So for the Daryl to work, you need to have a wall breaker, like Daryl and Colt. Okay, Daryl and uh, not BB. Yeah, Daryl. BB is actually good here. If any enemy comes with you, yeah. So here we have a bull. If the bull knows how to do it, then we are in big advantage. Okay, bull didn't even care. Yeah, bull broke it, as you can see. So like this here, yeah. So this helps a lot. And actually it's better to do with the bull from this place, because you will break this also. So if the enemy doesn't, wait, let me, okay, so I died. I'm not quite good with the Daryl, but Daryl is like real good in heist. He does a bunch of damage to the safe. And yeah, so this, she actually broke this part. So I just like jumped here, and the Shelly also jumped here. Shelly broke the wall. Dumb Shelly. So we both are like short range brawlers here, so we are in trouble. Here I came here. And yeah, with Daryl you can also come here, because like you can have a stop in the middle, because Daryl's range is not a lot, but I would definitely prefer using his bull, because he can travel, and also like he is good at damage, and also if you miss your shots by any chance, okay, we can win this. Bull rush, we can win this. So yeah, and you can also come from that place to over here. Bull just like hide somewhere back there, that would help. Yeah, we just don't want the person who has the thing to fight or to die. Yeah, victory, it's like good. And then wait, I'll show you one more thing. Yeah, then Edgar is like good, but like he does have like a bunch of damage and stuff, but he can only jump when he has a supercharged, and only if you have his star power, not star power, sorry, gadget, it's recommended, or else don't do it. And you must be wondering, Chuko JR, which is my game name by the way, yeah. You must be wondering, hey, why don't you buy the mega box for 60 gems? Actually, I'm not buying it because I actually want to save up the gems, because in every brawl pass, if you just complete the brawl pass till 70, you get 90 gems, and to buy the brawl pass, the proper one which you need to activate, not the free one, it only needs 169 gems. So if you just complete two of them, like wait, I'll show you. Yeah, so 10, then 10 again, so 20, then 20, so 40, then 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. Okay, so actually I used 10 of my gems for, I don't remember what, but I think it was, no, I don't remember actually. Yeah, I don't remember for what, but yeah, if you complete it you will get 90 gems. So I'll get 70, 80 in this case, but still I can like use those gems and like the next season gems to get by the next to next pass. So at least, I know it sounds like a very long process, but at least you don't have to like waste your money, you know. And so yeah, so one last match or something, and then we'll wrap it up for today. Yeah, and please comment me which brawler I should play. And actually, I made this map. It's known as wait, I'll show you. Flower power. Let me just turn all the bots off. Yeah, so it looks like this in the center. So it's basically like a square in which everybody spawns on different platforms, and there's one spawn right top over there, and there are blocked so that this person cannot get here, and there's a teleporter right in the center, so the teleporter will help you to get boxes. And if you are not getting what I mean to say, then yeah, so as you can see, wait, yeah, so as you can see, this dynamite actually came from that side by using a spring trap, and the different spawns are, one dude will spawn here, one will spawn there, one will spawn there, and other one will spawn there, and the same for the other side. So yeah, as you saw, I came here, there are like a bunch of boxes here. I can use my dyna spin thing to just get like almost all of them like this, and this helps a lot. Okay, so I didn't get that. I'll risk it. I don't want to risk it. Yeah, so I forgot to get that one, but yeah, it works. There are in total of 30. And if you are wondering why am I able to like just jump across the wall, it's a star power which is unlocked at power level 9, but in friendly games you it doesn't unlock at power level 9. Your brawlers are fully maxed out, like they are at power, the maximum power, which is 9. So wait, I'll show you. So here, so I jump right across, and the green thing you can see below right there is actually known as the gadget. The gadget, like, it's like a special ability of the dude. Wait, and there's a thing known as a double dyna jump, which you can like just plop a dynamite there, plop. Wait, I'll show you. Here and then here. So you have to like time it perfectly. And he died. Okay, bad for him. I was showing. And in map maker, which is like the right here, as you can see, there are settings, battle log, leaderboard, battle TV, inbox, friendly game, and map maker. In map maker, you can basically make any map, any single map. So like here, so you can make gem grab, then solo showdown, bounty, heist, anything. And there are like different maps also, like for this, then this, yeah, like that. I'm feeling a little bit sneezy, so sorry. And then yeah, let me show you in a friendly game for this one, heist. Okay, it's known as, made by me by the way, I have written the name as Game On. I'll show it to you. This is actually specifically for a call, because like if you don't know, I'll tell it to you after a sec. Yeah, I'll show you. Let me just wrap up this match pretty quick, and yeah. So yes guys, so I'll show you why I told this map was specifically made for Carl. So actually like it's a little cheeky thing if you don't know that. Wait, I'll just find a perfect map for this in bounty, and I mean heist, sorry. So you need a map. So if in map maker or anything, if you find a map in which the box is like lined close to this, so if the map is, if the box, sorry, is lined with a wall, then you can actually use your car to break it really quickly. I'll show you. Wait. So yeah. So yeah, and if you actually have the gadget of Carl, the fire one, you can use that also. Just light fire on their base and just spin. And a better idea is, wait, this is not a proper map which I've chosen. Wait, yeah. So just stand like this in a position when you throw your pickaxe, it hits the wall and comes back to you. So you can just do this. It's like so easy. And if you have Edgar or any other brawler which breaks the boxes really fast, brilliant idea. Just use this. Yeah, see how fast. And also if you just do this, yeah, just light it on fire and then you can just do your pickaxe throwing thing. But it is not like that easy because here there were no bots, no other players. But when you go in an actual map, wait, okay, I'm like so sorry, there is no other map like the heist map, so I can't show it to you. So yeah, one last map and then we'll wrap it up for today. I will use the brawler which I do not like at all, which is Tick. Yeah, so yeah, I actually don't like this dude. Tick. All of you must be arguing like, hey Joko Junior. Why am I saying that? Yeah, hey Joko Junior. It's such a good brawler. Yeah, I know it's like a good brawler, but I like just don't like it. Okay, this guy has a lot and a lot of cubes. Oh, and guys, if you know how to team up, then good for you. And if you don't know, then actually you like need a pin which is like smiley or like that. So you just put the pin and just spin on the spot. And if your enemy, which is like if the other brawler also spins, that means he wants to team up with you. And yeah, if the person like comes really close to you, then like please don't spin like this, okay, and hope that he will actually team up with you, because it happens and they don't team up with you. They just come and kill you. Okay, very long match. I'm literally trapped. I can literally do nothing. Go Tickhead, kill it. Is he like offline? Tickhead go. Where did my Tickhead go? I'm literally like dead, so dead. No. Just look who got the kill. There was a Pam who got the kill. So fun. Yeah, I don't like this brawler a lot. Let's get another match played. I also don't like Brock, but he is like we can't say bad, but like his ammo recharge time is like very slow, as you can see. Reload speed very slow. His damage is good as per my dude, which of power 5. And if I showed you who's the best brawlers, here you go. Like it's not like best, it's like the brawlers who I have like most trophies as you can see up top right there. So it's so it is like Edgar, BB, Carl, then we have Poco, Bull, Colt. And you must be, and just so you know again, Shelly is a good brawler. I know, Shelly is a really good brawler. And something which makes me, I'll show you something. Actually, yeah, this is the second last map. I'm just giving you some small tips and tricks. So yeah. So I just lost rank 8, yeah. So yeah, Shelly is actually a short range brawler. So as in, she will do more damage when she's really close to another person. So for example, yeah, I'll show you. See, like I am very far away from her and I shoot it. She only does 375 damage. Now if I just go straight on the person, 1875 damage. Wow. Same goes for Bull and also Daryl or Darryl. Some people call it Darryl. Yeah. And now, yeah, I'll show it to you for Daryl also. Wait. I'm actually like, it's funny that I don't have Rico because like every person like almost gets Rico in the starting. I don't have Rico yet, so yeah. So, and yeah, if you don't know, Rico is a pretty good brawler. He can do this, which means he can make his ball bounce. So ball will bounce and damage the other player. And like it's Rico is really fun when in like his mode with the small bots. Yeah, so you aim like this. It literally damages every single one, and I was like, it's fun. It doesn't help you or anything, but it's just good if you want to try and know how the brawler is. So then we have Amber. She's actually my most favorite brawler. I don't have her yet, but like, just look at her. She's so OP. I'll show it to you. Blue Flame OP. She has actually 40 ammo as per like 40 flame shots. So 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay. Then her super is that she can actually throw puddle of oil. Yeah, and then when she attacks it, like the oil, right, like that. Wait. Yeah. Okay. Time pass. So when she actually attacks the oil, yeah. Did you just see it lit? And now everybody who is in the fire gets burnt and just dies. And now I'll show you what I meant by 40 ammo. And so if you want to see the burning effect, I'll show you. Here we go. He has 4000 health. From 4000 directly to 2200 health. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. Okay, so yeah, let me end that dude. Like it's really satisfying to like just play with this dude. She's a legendary, so she's really rare. You just won't get her like in the start or something, where some people actually get her in the start. So guys, I think we will wrap it up for today. Thank you. New videos every week. So yeah. And yeah, Brawl Stars is a really good game, so you should try it out. Bye bye.